The Tortoise and the Hare by Hare Gibson. Once upon a time in the woods, there was a rabbit named Rocket. Rocket was the fastest creature between the 6 villages in the forest. He never lost a race to any cats, wolves, squirrels, or foxes. He was even faster than all the other rabbits. He won so much he became extremely confident and rather arrogant. Tyrone the Turtle, on the other hand, was a humble believer with extreme faith in God. He was disappointed in the way Rocket would boast and brag and never lose in a race. He wished he would be a little more humble and gracious about the gift of speed he received from God. Man, can't nobody beat me. I'm Rocket. I'm the fastest in the village. Faster than you, faster than you, faster than you. I beat you. This wolf here don't want none. Can't nobody beat me. Tyrone, on the other hand, was willing to challenge him. One day, Tyrone decided that he could beat Rocket and said he wanted to challenge Rocket to a race. Nobody believed he stood much of a chance. Rocket found the whole idea absolutely hilarious. He promised not to just beat Tyrone, but he wanted to humiliate him and make him apologize for even thinking he would win. On the day of the race, Tyrone comes to the starting line. Look at this guy. You think you're really going to win? You know you don't stand a chance, right? I know I can win if I focus on my race and keep my eyes on God. I can do anything through God. At the beginning of the race, nobody really had much faith in Tyrone even having a chance of winning. However, nobody really liked Rocket and wanted him to lose. When the race began, Rocket took off to a fast start, leaving Tyrone far behind. At this pace, Rocket would be finished and home eating dinner before Tyrone even crossed the finish line. Mark, get set, go! Show! See you later. Oh my God. Tyrone can't believe how fast Rocket's going. See you later, chump. Rocket taunts and teases Tyrone, who really has no chance to win. Then he accelerated and he was gone. He was so far ahead of Tyrone and so close to the finish line, he felt he could even take a break and chill out. He was still going to win. He's never lost. Can't beat me, man. Can you beat me? See you later, chump. This is like a pretty good place where I can chill out. No, he can't catch me. Man, I'm like 20 minutes ahead of him. I ain't worried about it. I'm just gonna lay right here, chill out for a minute. Rocket's break ended up turning into a nap. He napped for a few minutes and woke up. He realized he was still ahead, so he continued to nap longer. Tyrone, on the other hand, just focused on his race. I think I can. I know I can. All I have to do is just keep running my race. Don't see the finish line. I don't even see Rocket. I'll catch him. He knew if he just kept his eyes on God and focused on his task, everything would work out. He continued to run his race, slowly but surely. Tyrone eventually got to a spot along the course where he could see Rocket asleep. There he is right there. I can't believe I actually caught up with him. He's the fastest in the village. Well, I'm just going to keep on running my race. I won't worry about what he's doing. I'll worry about my race. He didn't get too excited, though. He just continued to run the race at his own pace until he passed Rocket. The roar of the crowd eventually awoke Rocket when Tyrone was passing him. He was so far behind, he had to run as fast as he could to catch up. No one had ever seen Rocket run that fast, and there was a possibility he could catch Tyrone. Oh, my Lord! He's in front of me! Yeah! I gotta catch him! He was too late, though. Tyrone crossed the finish line before Rocket could catch him. It was the first time Rocket lost a race. He was the slowest in the village. Tyrone said he wanted to teach Rocket a lesson about humility and faith. He explained that he knew he wasn't as fast as Rocket, but his faith would not allow him to quit. He also explained that if Rocket was a little more humble, he would not take his speed for granted. I can't believe I lost to this chump. He beat me. Impossible. Impossible. This is a lesson for you. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. I know I really didn't stand a chance in beating you, Rocky, but I knew that your evil ways would slow you down. Thanks for giving me the opportunity to be the fastest in the village. The next day, the headlines read, Tortoise wins by a hair.